Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing today? I'm hoping this works well. I'm trying a different app. So that phone was driving me nuts. So hopefully this works out better. Anyways, today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020, 4-16-20. Other way. Still learning. Okay, how is everyone? How are y'all doing? Getting closer to Friday, yes? Yay! Everyone getting their work done? Again, if you have any questions, just log on, email me. I'm always in our class check-in at 11:30 to 12, Monday through Thursday. So today's the last day this week for that open window if you have any questions. And please don't wait till you've been trying something for 30, 40 minutes to an hour. Shouldn't be that. So if you've got some frustrations or confusions or anything like that, within like 5 or 10 minutes, just shoot me an email. You're not bothering me. I'd rather help you super fast than put you through that for an hour. So, okay. So a few little announcements. Let's see. It's kind of important to check class tag today, for your performance task. Sorry, I had a piece of hair right in front of my mouth. Performance task for ELAR. I posted up a link to a YouTube video of a story that you can use for that. It's a pretty cute story. I think the kiddos will like it. So it's pinned up on top. Just go there and click on it and it'll take you to the book that they can listen to use for their performance task for ELAR. Okay. Let's see. Don't forget, you guys should be doing all your math counting by 2s, 5s, 10s, forwards, backwards, to that lucky number 120, because starting next week, I will be assessing you guys on that when we're doing our one-on-one, because we're still having to do report cards. So, and that's one of those things that are on there. Okay, so make sure you're practicing on that. Also, iStation, if you can, I know some of you guys have maybe some different types of phones and computers, electronics that aren't adaptable to iStation, and that's okay. Don't stress out about it. But if you do have the capability of getting them logged on to iStation, that would be wonderful. I posted up, again, also it's red pinned up on top of our class tag, a video of how to log on to iStation if you're having trouble. Someone did a how-to video for us, so that was really nice. So I posted that up for you. Okay, let's see, my friends I get to see today are Kelvin, Samba, Trenton, Monica. You better wake up this time, girlfriend. And then Oz. I get to talk to Oz. Yay, I finally get to talk to Oz. So I'll be talking to those friends today. But again, if you need anything, you just hop on here, give me a shout, and I will help you guys out. I feel like there was more, but I mean, we're kind of skating through this really well, you guys. You're doing a fantastic job. Just make sure as soon as you're done with your performance tasks, you get those sent over to me. You can get it done early if you like. You don't have to wait till Friday. You can give yourself a 3-day weekend if you want. So, again, I think that's all about it. So we'll end with our Chisholm Creed. Here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and give our best to meet our goal. Here's my heart. Oh, this computer is weird. There's yours. I love you guys. I miss you so much. Have a tremendous, terrifically what's another T word? Maybe you can fill in that third word. Thursday.